students, this is Archana, your science teacher. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home. So students, let's start our today's science class from block 1, cultivation practices. And today's topic we will be going to study is soil fertility, weeding and harvesting. And the aim of today's topic is to understand the techniques used for increasing soil fertility, weeding and harvesting. So before we start, we have to know about soil fertility, weeds and harvesting. So soil fertility is the ability of soil to provide nutrients to plants. And weeds, they are undesirable plants that compete with the main plants or crops for water, nutrients, space and light. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा होगा जब हम कभी कोई पौधा उगाते हैं तो उसके साथ साथ कुछ अनवांटेड प्लांट भी ग्रो होते हैं. उन अनवांटेड प्लांट्स को ही हम वीड्स कहते हैं. इन अनवांटेड प्लांट्स को निकालना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि ये मेन प्लांट्स के साथ कंपीट करते हैं. किसके लिए? फॉर वाटर, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, स्पेस एंड लाइट के लिए. एंड द प्रोसेस बाय विच वी कैन रिमूव द वीड्स फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स, दे आर नोन एज वीडिंग. And if we are talking about harvesting, it is the process of cutting and gathering fully grown crops. So now we study about the techniques which increase the soil fertility, about weeding methods and harvesting. So to increase the soil fertility, we add manure and fertilizers in the crops. Now what is manure? Manure is made by the decomposition of organic matter. It improves the texture of the soil and replenish nutrients. मैन्योर किससे बने होते हैं? ऑर्गेनिक मैटर से बने होते हैं, इसलिए ये हार्मफुल नहीं होते सॉइल के लिए. एंड इट कैन रिप्लेनिश द न्यूट्रिएंट. रिप्लेनिश का मतलब होता है रिफिल कर देना. जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्रॉप के लॉस हो चुके हैं उनको मैन्योर दोबारा से रिफिल कर देता है. एंड fertilizers, they are chemical substances that are rich in particular nutrient produced in factories, which include urea, phosphate, potash, NPK. And NPK stand for nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And if these chemicals, as I told you that fertilizers are made by chemicals, so they are very harmful for the crops. They are useful to increase the production amount, but the excessive use of fertilizers, they are harmful for the water bodies as well as for the soil also. And if we are talking about weeding methods, as I told you that weeding is a process in which we can remove the weeds from the plant or unwanted plant. It can be done by two methods. One is manual weeding and second one is chemical control. In manual weeding, weeds are removed by uprooting or cutting them with tools like harrow. And chemicals are also used in weeding. Some weedicides are certain chemicals. They are spread on crops to kill weeds. These weedicides are poisonous chemicals and cause water and land pollution. And it can also affect the health of farmers spraying them. As when these farmers, when they spread herbicides or weedicides, they wear a mask and gloves in their hand so that they can protect themselves. Some common herbicides are Delapone, Metacolor and dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. And if we are talking about harvesting, small farms, the farmers of small farm, they harvest the crop with a handheld tool called sickle. And in big farms, a machine called the harvester combine is used for harvesting. Now the question arises that why do people celebrate harvest time? As you hear sometime that people are celebrating the harvesting time. So they are celebrating this time as this is the way to thank the earth providing food. They also celebrate this time for their hard work and the beginning of a new year. So this is all about your topic. I hope you all understand. Now this is the time to do your workbook.